Assalamu alaikum everybody. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to talk about 5 different items each Muslim should have. If this is your first time joining me, I'm Ahmed from alhana.com. Okay, let's get into our video now. The most important thing every Muslim should have a Quran. If you're not an Arabic speaker, you need the Quran in Arabic translated into your language, like this one. The second item every Muslim needs is a prayer rug to give you comfortable and clean spot to pray on. There's a lot of prayer rug to choose from. My favorite is Turkish rug. They're very beautiful, made well, and last long. And I brought mine, look like this, very beautiful. Check our website for all the rug we have. We have all different kind of rug available. We have green rug, blue rug, orange rug, all kind of different color rug available with different design on them, with the Kaaba design on them, with the Masjid, Medina Masjid on available. Plain rug in different color, green, blue, charcoal. All these kind of rug available. If you like to check our website, definitely you will find something you like. The third item every Muslim should have, the dhikr bead. Most dhikr bead, they come in 2 sizes. 33 bead like this, and 99 bead look like this, in different shade. And the misbah you use it for to do the dhikr, which is you can do la ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, whatever you want to say for dhikr, you can use the misbah for. And good to keep misbah in your pocket all the time, because if you have in your pocket all the time, when you put your hand in your pocket, you always remember to do the dhikr. Sometimes we are busy, we do all kind of stuff like that, and we have the misbah in our pocket, we remember the dhikr all the time. Fourth item every Muslim should have is a miswak. Every time you use it, you get good deed, because it's sunnah to use a miswak and keep your teeth healthier, your mouth fresh, and constantly you have this miswak in your pocket. You can use it all the time, anytime and everywhere. One thing I want you to check before you brush your teeth, look at your teeth first in the mirror and brush your teeth, and look again after that, and you will see the difference between the first and the second when you brush your teeth with this miswak. We have a video tape about this miswak, how to use it and how it works. We put a link below. The fifth item every Muslim should have, very nice stylish kufi look like this, or beautiful hijab look like this. Talking about kufi, we have all different kind of kufi. We have stylish kufi, we have this kind of kufi, we have this kind of kufi. I'm gonna wear the African style kufi. This is very nice. I love this one. A lot of people like this one kufi too, like this. They wear it just like that, and look how beautiful this one. See, some culture they wear a certain kufi. You can wear your cultural style, or you can wear any kufi you like. We're talking about the hijab for all the sisters. We have all different kind of hijab. We have a square hijab, we have rectangle hijab, we have triangle hijab, we have Amira hijab, we have Kuwaiti hijab, double loop hijab, twisted hijab, all different kind. We have beautiful fabric, very high quality hijab available, from some from Turkey hijab, some from Saudi Arabia, some from Dubai, from all different country. And we have another kind of hijab, look like a jacquard type of material of hijab. We have very beautiful, nice looking, high quality of hijab. And we do have a shayla hijab with a fringe on it. They look like these. Very beautiful hijab. That's a shayla style, the long type of hijab with the fringe on it. Very beautiful, high quality material too. And very soft. Very nice material to wear. Not like dry or something like that. Very nice, high quality material. Thanks for watching. Please support our channel. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. Be sure to check my other video and check the link below. What kind of video you want me to make next? Assalamu alaikum, until next time.